Oh, look at it.
Yep, that's the digital inverter technology in the motor. Goes around. Unbeatable suction. Yep. Close that one. Full view sensor. So it knows where to go. It maps it out. Yep.
What's the battery life of that?
Battery life, I don't know.
Okay.
They never told me.
Okay.
How long do you want it to last?
For
Oh, yeah. And they do, right?
Right? Yeah.
So what's next?
Then next we have the cyclone force. Maintain suction power. Did you get a picture?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Good. And then you got the point cleaning. This is kind of cool. It's all where to go. Comes over, cleans it up.
Wow.
Point and light brush technology. 204 millimeters.
Let me ask you this. So, is there any GPS inside of this?
No.
No.
No GPS.
Okay.
No, it's not driving around the city.
You can't sit on it and take it somewhere.
No, you can't. You can't send it over to the neighbor's house.
But it sounds to me like you can program where it goes, kind of like when you program those drones.
Yeah. No, I don't believe it has a program scheduled to it. You can schedule it, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's really awesome.
Yeah.
Wow, really cool.
Absolutely. 12-pound ball.
Wow, that's a lot of power.
Yes, it is.